Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you an important theorem on linear Diophantine equation and applying this theorem we will solve problems on Diophantine equation. So let us start the topic. The theorem is let x0 y0 be a particular solution of ax plus by plus ax plus by is equal to c and d the greatest common divisor of ap. Then the general solution of this Diophantine equation ax plus by is equal to c is given by x is equal to x0 plus b by dt, y is equal to y is equal to y0 minus a by dt. So that we have to derive. Given x0 y0 is a particular solution of ax plus by is equal to c, then we get ax0 by0 is equal to c. This is equation 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2 we get. What will get? A into x0 minus x, b into y0 minus y is equal to 0. Given d is equal to GCD of AP, then we can write A is equal to R1D, B is equal to R2D, where R1, R2 belongs to set of integers I. Now this equation can be written as, putting this value, R1D x0 minus x plus R2D y0 minus y is equal to 0. So we have to establish x is equal to x0 plus b by d into t, y is equal to y0 minus a by d into t. So these things we have to establish. So we can write R1 x0 minus x plus R2 y0 minus y is equal to 0. So this gives us R1 x0 minus x is equal to minus R2 y0 minus y. So this gives us x0 minus x by R2 is equal to minus y0 minus y by R1 here getting. So this can be written as x minus x0 by R2 is equal to minus y minus y0 by r1 you can write is equal to t say. So we are getting this much. Now we can write x minus x0 by r2 is equal to t minus of y minus y0 by r1 is equal to t. So this gives us x is equal to x0 plus r2t. Here minus of this is y minus y0 is equal to minus r1t, which gives us y0 minus y is equal to y0 minus r1t. This gives us x is equal to x0, but we have d a is equal to r1d, b is equal to r2d we have taken. So r2 will be b by dt, and this is y is equal to y0 minus r1 means a by d. So we are getting now x is equal to x0 plus b by dt, y is equal to y0 minus a by d into t are the required solution of ax plus by is equal to c. So proved. So we have proved the theorem. Now let us proceed to solve a problem basing on this theorem. Now we have the problem. Find the general solution of the linear Diophantine equation 63x minus 23y is equal to minus 7. Now the solution. Given 63x minus 23y is equal to minus 7. Now comparing with ax plus by is equal to c, we get a is equal to 63, b is equal to minus 23, c is equal to minus 7. Now d is equal to greatest common divisor ap, that is 6323 is equal to 1. To find the general solution, we have to express 1 as the linear combination of 63 and 23. So here we are given 63x minus 23y is equal to minus 7. So let us compare with this equation, comparing with ax plus by is equal to c, we get is equal to 63, b is equal to minus 23, c is equal to minus 7. Then the greatest common divisor is 1. So our aim is to find the general solution. In order to find the general solution, we have to express this 1, which is the greatest common divisor between 63 and 23, as linear combination of 63 and 23 using Euclidean algorithm. This question is a 63x. 23y is equal to minus. By Euclidean algorithm, we have 63 is equal to 2 into 23 plus 17. Now this 23 is equal to 1 into 17 plus 6. Now this is 17 is equal to 2 into 6 plus 5. Now 6 is equal to 1 into 5 plus 1. Now 5 is equal to 5 into 1 plus 0. So we can write now, we'll start this 1 is equal to, this 1 is equal to 6 minus 1 into 5. This is equals to 6 minus 1 into 5. 1 into 5. This 5 can be written as 17 minus 2 into 6. So this is 6 minus 1 into 17 minus plus 2 into 6. So this is 3 into 6 minus 1 into 17. Now this is 6. This 6 can be written as 3 into 6 can be written as 23 minus 1 into 17. And this is minus 1 into 17. And this can be written as 3 into 23 minus 3 into 17 minus 1 into 17, which is equals to which is equals to 3 into 23 minus 4 into 17 minus 4 into 17, and this 17 can be written as, this is equals to 3 into 23 minus 4, 17 can be written as 63 minus 2 into 23. So then this is equal to 3 into 23 minus 4 into 17, 3 into 23 minus 4 into 63 plus 8 into 23. So this becomes 11 into 23 minus 4 into 63. So we are getting minus 4 into 63 plus 11 into 23. So this is 1 is equal to this much. So we can write minus 7 is equal to, this will be 28 into 63, 77 into 23. minus 7, minus minus plus, this will be minus. So we are getting minus 7 is equal to 28 into 63 minus 23 into 77. So we get, so x0 is equal to 28, y0 is equal to 77. This is minus 23. Y0 is equal to 77. Then the required general solution is x is equal to x0 plus bt, b by dt is equal to x0 plus bt because d is equal to 1. So which is equal to x0 is 28 and b is equal to minus 23 t and y is equal to y0 minus 80 by d. So which is equal to y0 minus 80 because d is equal to 1. So here y0 is 77 minus a is equal to 63 t. So we are getting the solution x is equal to 28 minus 23 t and y is equal to 77 minus 63 t. So the problem is completed. Now I have completed this class. In my next class I will meet you with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.